Hello and welcome to Fulda in Germany, and this vehicle is the Forster T699EB. Company is Able Service, and let's have a look at this vehicle here. 7 meters long. Forster is unfortunately only available from new, that is, Germany, Switzerland and Austria. But one lives in hope that it might be available in more countries. This is going to cost nearly 72,000 euros. Now, so what's this vehicle got? Well, we've got this enormous bed at the back, and around the bed, window on either side, storage at the back, and a nice normal sized skylight up there. So we have this has been placed in here. I shall move this up, and you can see that under here it's a plate, and it catches on. You can see where it stands, and that, I'll put the thing back down again, fits in there quite easily. Got a ladder to get up, and if you don't want that there, you don't want to sleep with the person who's beside you, then you just get rid of this thing altogether. Under this, we find that we have some storage, which is ideally suited for keeping mattresses in, or pillow, or whatever, the cushion in. And in here we've got some more storage as well. Right, there's the boiler below. And let's come up now. Also storage in a step, in two compartments down here. Now, the big point of a bed like this is it's better for people who are taller, so you can sleep lengthwise or widthwise in there. Next to this, we have the kitchen. So we have the fridge, which is here, has a pull-out bit at the bottom for bottles. And next to the fridge, we find 2 burners. You may think that this has been placed the wrong way around, but I think, as far as I can see, it's as good a way as any. And that is a sink. And above the sink and hobs, we find large storage area up here. Below it, we have more storage below, and now if I come around here like this, we've got the toilet, and I can't stand toilets being opened, so I'll close that. And that's just one of my phobias. It's not. In here, we've got the shower. Hang on, a shower with a sink in here. Well, yeah, you probably want to wash your hands somewhere, and without having to use the shower, you can stand on that. There's a nice board down there, and this here also comes out, so you can hang that up there. One thing I'd like to point out whilst I'm here and on this subject is that in a motorhome you do have to show some caution with water conservation, unless of course you're on a campsite and there's a tap nearby. So you can't have a shower like you do at home unless you're using the campsite facilities, of course. Something lots of people in the comment section often fail to understand. Alright, so let's have a look at this here. So we've got 71,810 euros on this. So it's 699 long, 235 wide, height of 295, and it's on a 2.3 litre 120 horsepower Fiat Ducato. Now this has got some extras on. The comfort line is so there'll be some extras for the I don't actually know what's included with the comfort line, and the 9 gear automatic gearbox, AdBlue hubs, and the 90 litre fuel tank. And then these are delivery paperwork and all the rest of it. So it does have a few extras added onto it. You can see the Fiat Ducato. It is the newer Fiat Ducato. the latest, I should say, maybe. Wonderful big skylight up there, giving stacks of light coming in, and the table itself will go up and down, and you can make an extra sleeping place at the table if you really wanted to. Skylight there, skylight there. And of course the one I mentioned earlier. The thing about Forster is that it is really bright inside. It's also this very nice indirect lighting, but in a day like today you can't appreciate it. So but you can want to do filming in halls, right? So which I normally do, not outside. Bin in the door, and a window in the door as well. Something I personally appreciate, a window in the door. I haven't got a van with a window in the door, but I have driven them. So at the back we've got a large garage, and you can see from the size of the garage from the door. The garage will take 150 kilos of weight inside, and got a camera there which has been integrated into the construction of the body. And here we've also got a very large door as well. So big garage. That's for the toilet, and good. So there you have this Forster motorhome. And so I'll just show you actually where I am, because I think this is looking quite nice now the sun's come out. So this is an event in Fulda. It's the first time it's been held, but they say they're going to make this an annual event. But for first event, this is really impressive. There's well over 100 vehicles here, and it's got some. It's even got the brand new Heimer, their Vision, what's it called? Venture S, which has just come out, €250,000, and so there's lots of vehicles here. And actually, I'll come round again because I'd like to show a little bit of the countryside. And the countryside around here is really good as well. Located in Hesse. And for those who know me, know I'm interested into history. I'm particularly into the former inter-German border, the former border with East Germany, which is very close to here. And so I find this particularly nice place to actually come to for something like this. So, and oh, there's an interesting advantage. I'm driving past right now. Oh, it's coming in as well. Might get a photograph of that. Anyway, good. So that's a quick look at Fulda. Well, it's not actually. It's outside of Fulda. This is to the west of Fulda. It's about 3.5 kilometers. The town centre, or something like that. Okay. Thanks very much for being here, and all the best from me in Germany. And I upload every day at 21:15 every day. So if you want to see more motorhomes and camper vans, then come to the site. I'll try to put some more information in the description box. Sometimes I don't do that because it escapes, because I have to upload the video via my mobile phone or something, and then you can't really write a description. But if there isn't you want a description, there isn't one there, then make the point in the comment section, and I'll try and get around to it. Thanks for all the best. Thanks and all the best from me in Germany.